be assessing your balance with the STAR excursion test. I'm going to have you remove your shoes as you are, and you're stand on your dominant leg in the center of that grid, and you're going to reach out maximally as far as you can. We're going to do first the anterior medial, we're going to do the lateral, and we're going to do the posterior.
So one time.
So you're gonna touch. You're gonna touch as far as you can. Just touch. Do not rest your weight. Touch and bring it back, while maintaining balance. And you're gonna have you have up to 6 times to practice. And you're gonna record the average of your best 3. Once you got an impression of the session, we're gonna see if you can do your dominant leg on all 8 lines. RJ is going to place a piece of tape at each point that you touch. We're going to go around once. We're going to go around once together. Got it. All right, go ahead and reach out.
And they're the same for ice. Should we take the ball?
You're allowed to look.
Okay. Sorry.
We're going to do your non-dominant foot, and go ahead and reach out to the same 3 that we did in the first trial. Yeah. And then RJ is going to place the tape down exactly where you touch. Copy that.
I want to throw the back.
Yeah. As you can see, he's just tapping. He's not transferring weight onto that toe. Good. So we're going to be closing our eyes, and you're going to reach out 45-degree angle on your mark. 45-degree angle in front of you, right?
And freaking all the linemen being.
That is a fail as we touch down. Top of it. Now reach out to a 90-degree angle with eyes closed. To balance. Try to keep your weight off that toe.
Bring it to vodka.
And now backwards to a 45-degree angle. And as you can see, he touched down with, he transferred his weight onto his toe each time. That would be considered a fail. We're going to assess this as a practice trial.
Will they equate?
Do you want to do that one more time? Or just go? We're going to get your non-dominant leg. We're going to have you lift up your foot, close your eyes, and reach 45 degrees in front of you while maintaining balance. Now 90 degrees, you just tap, do not transfer weight.
Okay.
Just cut that in half.
And posteriorly at a 45-degree angle. Good. Bring it back. Good. All right, Bryan. So today we're going to be doing the boomerang test to assess your balance. We're going to, as you are, your shoes off. We're going to have you stand with your feet side to side, right next to each other. You're going to cross your arms and you're going to leave your eyes open. And we're going to count the amount of seconds until you begin to sway. On my mark, go ahead and cross your arms, and I'll tell you when to start the timer. And start.
You're done. No, I didn't do it. Oh, that was
Stop. And repeat the same process we just did, except this time we're going to close our eyes. We're going to record the time until you begin to sway. Now on my mark, go ahead and cross your arms, feet together,
heel toe.
and start the timer.
Eyes open and then heel toe.
And stop. Bryan, this is the second part of the boomerang test. We're going to have you, instead of putting your feet side to side, we're going to have you do heel toe in tandem, arms crossed over your body again. We're gonna take the time with your eyes open until you begin to sweat. All right. Go ahead and put your feet in tandem, arms across your chest. Begin the timer. Stop. I think good job on that last one. We're gonna do the exact same thing. Heel to toe in tandem, arms across the body, and we're gonna close our eyes. When you close your eyes, I'll begin the timer. And start.
Combine numbers.
Stop. Bryan, we're gonna be doing the unipedal stance test. As we just saw, you kick the ball with your left foot, establishing that that is your dominant foot. As you stand on that foot, with your arms crossed. For this first test, we're gonna have with your eyes open, looking at a stationary target about eye level on the wall, and you're going to raise your foot. We'll begin the timer, and your raised foot should be at your ankle height of your stationary leg. Cross your arms, and we'll begin again. Stop. Bryan, so for this next part of the test, we're going to do the exact same thing we did in the previous step. We're going to close our eyes, and a failed test is anything like a moving your stationary foot, extending your raised foot to maintain balance, uncrossing your arms, and for this one, a failed test is also opening your eyes to maintain balance. Okay. And we'll begin. Close your eyes. You're going to cross your arms, and we'll begin the timer when you raise your foot.
Same foot.
Same foot. Again.
I did it pretty well for I was supposed to first round. Mark that down.
And
So
so we're going to be doing the unipedal test again, like we just did this time. We're going to do it on our non-dominant foot. Are you listening?
Where are your feet?
All right, Bryan. So we're going to do the unipedal test again. We're going to do it on our non-dominant foot. You kick the ball to the left, so your right foot is the one you're going to stand on. You're going to raise your foot again at the ankle height of your stationary leg, crossing your arms first, your eyes open, and focusing on a stationary target on the wall. We'll begin the timer when you lift your foot. With your arms crossed, yeah. He is not touching his ankle with the heel of his raised leg.
Scientific experiment in the future, do it chewing gum and not chewing gum, see if there's any difference among like 500 participants.
Stop. We're going to do the unipedal test one more time, Bryan. We did eyes closed on our non-dominant leg. This time we're going to close our eyes and stand on our dominant leg. We're going to raise our non-dominant leg at the ankle height, not touching our ankle, with our arms crossed. And we will begin the timer when you lift the leg and close your eyes. And stop.
Hey, so RJ, today we're going to be doing the reactive balance test. So we're going to grade you between 0 and 2. The test is just simple. We're going to do a practice right now. Just where I put my hand against your chest, and then push, and then we're going to see how you react. And that was just a minor version of what it'll actually be like, just so you know what to expect. You ready? Okay, so get as stable as you can. Right, put my hand right in your chest, your sternum right there, and then push on 3. 3, 2, 1, push. Okay, so RJ, we're going to be doing the sensory integration procedure. What that involves is you're going to be standing, your shoes are already off, but we're going to bring your feet side by side, completely side by side. Yeah, there you go. And then we're going to actually you had it perfect. Your arms are going to across your chest. And we're just going to give you up to 60 seconds, right? And we're going to stop the test if you should sweat. You just go as long as you can. And hold on 1 second. Okay, ready? And begin. And test. Okay, so RJ, this is just a variation of the test that we just did. And so we're going to do exactly the same thing you did before. Feet are still going to be together. You're still going to cross your arms. 60 seconds is still the time that we're shooting for. The only difference is this time we're going to close our eyes. And we're going to start 5, 4, 3, 2, and begin. And stop. Pretty good. Hey, so RJ, we're going to do again just the third variation of the test that we just did. The differences this time are you're going to go ahead and stand tandem, so or unipedal, so one foot's going to be in front of the other, heel to toe. Yeah, arms are going to be across your chest again. Exactly. This time we're going to go with arms open. Yeah, so we're just going to, again, see how long, or if you sway, within that 60 seconds. Alright, so for this one, we're going to go for 45 seconds. Ready, set, and begin. And turn. Hey, so RJ, we're going to do just same thing that we did with the last test, right? So we're going to go unipedal, or so one foot in front of the other. Yeah. Hands going to be across in front of our chest. Again, we're going to go for 60 seconds for this test. Your eyes are going to be closed. It's going to be the difference here. So as soon as you close your eyes, I'll begin the test. Begin. And stop. Great. So RJ, we just had you demonstrate that which foot you kick the ball with. That was your right foot. So that's the foot we're going to use for this test. This test is basically you're going to bring your weight to bear on one leg, which is going to be your right foot. Your arms are going to be crossed. You're going to bring your left foot up, right? And then, exactly, it's good practice. We're going to release out of that now. You're going to find a fixed point on the wall about eye level. And we're going to see how long it takes you, if at all, if you fall out. So falling out would be considered if your arms uncrossed, if you shoot your foot down to find support on that. Any questions? Okay.
So I can swim.
You can sway in this game. You probably will. All right. Ready, set, begin.
We're filming here.
And stop. All right. So here's what we have going, RJ. We're going to do the same test that we just did. So you're going to be on your same supporting leg, your right leg that you kick the ball with. Arm's going to be crossed. Left foot's going to be up. This time, however, your eyes are going to be closed. Right. So and it's the same constraints as before. Your arms come uncrossed, or if your foot comes down or far away. Also, if you open your eyes, the test will immediately stop at that point. So we'll begin as soon as you get in position and close your eyes. Begin.
Ready?
And so then. Alright, so RJ, what we're going to do is same test as before. We're just switching your leg. This is the one where you're standing on one leg, arms are crossed, eyes are open, fixed gaze point on the wall across you. And I'm going to go ahead and stop this, reset it, and as soon as your foot comes up, we'll start. Begin. And stop. Okay, so RJ, we're assessing dynamic balance. So we're going to do with the final progression of this test, which is where you're balancing on one leg, arms are crossed, and then eyes are closed. Constraints that will bring the test to a stop are if you put your foot down, if you uncross, or the instant you open. Any questions? Okay. So as soon as you get into position and close, as soon as you close your eyes, we'll begin the test. Okay. Begin. $15.
Bryan, so we're going to be assessing your dynamic balance by doing the upward reach test. I'm going to have you stand with your feet together with your lateral aspect of your left shoulder against the wall. Then you're going to go ahead and stand like that. So the yardstick is at his acromion process. You're going to make a fist and reach with your arm extended over your head with your right arm. And you're going to be going up on your tippy toes. You're going to measure the baseline and you're going to measure the highest point. Okay, go ahead. Okay, I'm going to get a yardstick. Have you stand again with your lateral aspect, your left shoulder against the wall. And I'm going to measure with your right arm extended above your head at the distal end of your third metatarsal. And then I'm going to get the first with you standing flat-footed, and then I'm going to have you open your foot. So first is 27 inches. Go ahead and toe. And that is at 30 inches. Dynamic balance test. This time we're going to reach out. We're going to be standing again with our left lateral aspect of our shoulder. And reaching out with your right hand. I'm going to get the initial measure. So go ahead and reach out with the fist as far as you can reach without leaning forward. And that is at 69. And this time you're going to reach out as far as possible without taking a step and maintaining balance. Go ahead. And tell me when you're as far as possible. So you've exceeded our yardstick. I'm going to estimate it about
For your results, most of those tests are that we did with regard to reach and balance. There isn't necessarily a standard. These are individual to you for comparison from right to left side. Um, so um, and then so we can compare moving forward with you throughout your training in the future. We've established your baseline now, and on all those tests we did an average of, we did 3 samples, and we took an average of those samples to get these scores. So we're going to incorporate this into your training program that we're going to design, we're going to prescribe. There is one test though out of all those. It is kind of a standardized score. And it's unique to the individual, but so that would be the reaction test, the balance reaction test. That was where I put my hand in your chest and I pushed you. And so on that one, it's graded whether or not whether or not you fall or stumble, whether or not you move your foot, or whether or not you recover just like you did. So 2 being the best and 0 being you fell over, and we scored you at 2 for that test. Yeah, so good job.